Good morning. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing plant of the Dolly.com and American Machine Company located here in Alva, Nebraska. One piece of equipment I want to go over with you guys. It's new from Dolly.com. It is the transmission jack. As you can see, real heavy duty steel construction, big thick steel tubes, rigid, no wobble stuff from overseas kind of thing. 6-inch phenolic swivel casters. Really go over the expansion joints, like about even there, which is key when you're putting the transmission in. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Right over here on the side, we have this little lock and unlock. That's basically for your jack. So I got this mock-up transmission here. I don't have the strength to put it on a real one right now, so we're just going to show you in the video. So we got a mock-up 400 turbo transmission here, and we recommend you guys do the strap. Let me get mine undone here. There we go. Basically what you do, there's holes, located on all four corners of this jack. The planter plate. Let me just get her here, guys. Can you move? This is just to secure the transmission in position prior to removing it or installing it. All right, perfect. Now, I'm getting ready to put this bad boy in. This is basically a transmission jack so that you can R&R transmission underneath a car hoist. If you got a car hoist in your shop or garage. Heavy duty steel construction. The jack itself is rated at 1,000 pounds, half a ton, which should be more than enough for all your transmission needs. As you can see, it's a nice stroke every foot pedal pump. I'll get it up here in the air and talk about some features here. You're seeing a couple knobs here. The knobs are really handy for you to basically dial in your angles so that you can get your pins of your transmission to line up with the back of the engine block. You can see we can tilt sideways depending on how you have the transmission on. You can tilt sideways or you can tilt up and back. There's another one here that you can actually move the transmission right to left, just to fine tune get some of the heavy transmissions back up in the pins of the block. Really neat. This, like I said, it goes up about 6 feet. Okay, so here we are. We talked about this. We talked about the foot pedal engagement. Now we can roll things around, get it underneath your car. Lots of good opportunities. In here we have these 4 holes so that you can hook your ratchet strap to it or any type of fastening system you want to come up with. We have a series of holes located in all 4 corners if you want to put bolts or you want to make your own style brackets to mount things. So we call this the transmission jack. Actually, it's the transmission utility jack. So instead of being single purpose just on your transmission, you do a wide variety of things. Other than that, anything you need to remove that's under 1,000 pounds underneath your vehicle. Hey, if you just want to hold your exhaust up in place, you're putting exhaust up. Put something across there, use that jack to hold your exhaust pipes in so you're welding, putting your hangers on. The sky's the limit on potential. So, thank you.